Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fully reset your Nothing phone for a Pro factory reset. So first go into the settings, find System, then right here we have Reset Options and Erase All Data Factory Reset. Remember, this will erase all data from your phone, internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, other user data. And when you are sure that you want the factory reset, then click Erase All Data. Enter your PIN one last time. Erase. And that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.